Enforcement team of Thoubal District Excise seized 10 litre of country liquor worth rupees 11,000 in local market. According to District Enforcement Team Nodal Officer Inspector S. Nilkumar, the confiscated liquor will be disposed. Users Connections and Support Committee, Kangleipak organized an interactions cum motivational program for drug users at Inungal Drug De-Addictional Rehabilitation Center in Ghari, Makhalaikai today. Taking part in the program, Langtabal Assembly Constituency MLA Karam Syam said that people must not waste precious life by using drugs. He also urged for the prosperity of the society. Karam Syam lauded the effort of all social activists, including Rohan Film, who have been working relentlessly against drug mania. Women flock of Hawam Marak Chingtham Laikai, Laurembam Laikai, Kaisam Laikai, Hairangoi Thong and Ningthem Chakarong of Nauria Pakhang Lakpa staged a torch rally last night condemning the government for leaving the constituency without MLA. They said people of the constituency have been deprived of all benefit provided by the government amid the COVID-19 crisis. Moray IPC Bypass Road Structure and Land Committee has warned of resuming agitations in case the government does not clear pending compensations to all the beneficiaries or landowners at the earliest. India witnessed a significant drop in the number of new COVID-19 cases during the past 24 hours. At 46,498, the country registered fewer daily infections than the US for the first time in over a month, taking its tally to 75,94,736 according to Worldometer. India's death toll currently stands at 1,15,163 as per media report. While Maharashtra is the worst hit state in the country with over 1.6 million case loaded, West Bengal has been adding over 3,000 cases daily for the past 45 days. The overall case tally in the state stands at 3,25,028. Bangladesh security forces are trying to track down a dreaded ULFA independent commander in Sylhet prison. Media reports said that the country's intelligence has received reports of his movement around Jaflong last week around the same time that Pakistan's High Commissioner Imran Ahmad Siddiqui was vacationing there. Imran flew down to Sylhet to meet the BNP's mayor Ariful Haq Chaudhry, something that raised eyebrow in Bangladesh intelligence circle. A Jammu and Kashmir police officer was shot dead by terrorists in South Kashmir, Anantnag district, while he was returning home after offering prayers at a mosque yesterday evening, according to media reports. The descendant, identified as Mohammad Ashraf Bhat, an inspector with Jammu and Kashmir police posted at a police training center in Pulwama district, was fired upon by the militants near his house at Kanalwan area of Anantnag, following which he was rushed to a nearby hospital only to be declared dead on arrival.